one good thing about this is it has a website support, so you can check out the product and things that you want to learn. And of course, one great addition is a software download for the Czur Fancy S Pro, which is the Czur Visualizer. So you can download it for Windows or for Mac. And we're gonna try that software and see what it can do. So the Czur Visualizer, let's open that. And there you go. The camera preview and controls you can see when you open the app right there. The camera is clear, so we have this model car right here for reference. So the quality is like that. And of course we have here controls for the mic input, what microphone you should use, and the mirror option right there, so you can flip it. So we also have here viewing angles like that, so you can scale the viewing angles both vertical and horizontal. And of course we have here the rotation button, the zoom button, so you can zoom in, zoom out, and other controls right there. So let's try to record a video, and let's press this video button right here. So there you go, it starts recording now, and we're moving the subject right here. So we can try it. There you go, zoom, and then we stop the recording. Now every time you record something, it will be reflected on this file list. So let's take a look at the video that we've recorded. So there you go, let's watch the preview of that and take a look at the quality. So this is really good for when you're doing product reviews right there. So the video is there. Let's just close it. So that's from the file list. And of course we have the document camera setting. So let's replace this model toy right here with a document. What better document do we have than the manual? If you take a look at that, it does a bounding box for the document camera to detect which part of the things that are placed are images or our documents. So let's take a look at the document camera settings right there on the right side. And yes, we'll try to take a photo of this and take a look at the quality of the document camera. Now Czur is really good at this, so let's see. There you go, the document camera activated. Let's search for the file that we've just took a photo of, and there you go, high quality image from Czur. So basically that's it. It's good quality, just like the original one. It's reflected on the file list, so we have there for the document camera and for the display preview. Everything you need to operate the Czur Fancy S Pro is there by just using this Czur Visualizer. So this is the Czur Visualizer that you can download on their website.